you, fellow Biafrans. Some of you might be wondering, this one I am playing at Jofia today. This one that Maazi Obeleze Chukwubikem is entering his studio with this Ajofia song. Ajofia is a masquerade from Nnewi, and Nnewi is the hometown of the People's General, Dim Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. And this masquerade is a great masquerade that whenever it appears, you know that something big has happened. This masquerade does not appear always. This masquerade is not masquerade of children. This masquerade is not masquerade that you use for fun. Whenever Ajofia appear, you know that something great has happened. Therefore, I want to use this program to thank all Biafrans, lovers of freedom, those of you that participated in today's sit at home. I want you to know that this is just the beginning of the last lap of this struggle. This sit at home order is the beginning of the last lap of this struggle. Therefore, those of you that sat at home today, those of you that closed your shops, those of you that didn't go to school, those of you that didn't go to market, those of you that didn't go to any work at all, and use today as a day to show solidarity for our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who have sacrificed everything sacrificable for the redemption of mankind, for the freedom of humanity. I want to salute each and every one of you. I say, may Chukwu Okabema bless all of you. Tomorrow, you continue with your business. Tomorrow, you continue with your proper arrangements and activities. Yes, but do not forget that every Monday, if they did not release our leader from now to this weekend, coming Monday, we are also going to sit at home. We are going to do it. If they hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for 1 million years, we are going to hold sit at home for another 1 million years. If they do it for 1,000 years, we're going to hold this sit at home for 1,000 years. And believe you me, a lot of things is going to happen. A lot of things is going to happen. A lot of things is going to happen. Because as time comes up, we change strategy. And this evening, as it is hot on this platform, I'll tell you people something. I'm not going to spend much of your time, and I am not going to receive calls. There is no need for any call receiving this evening. The number to call this evening is already blocked, so you cannot reach me this night. If you are trying that number, you cannot reach me, unless you just send message on the number. When I am done with this program, I will open the line. This is the day I have waited for a very long time. This is the time that I've waited for a very long time. And I want you to clean your ears, because something you're going to hear on this platform, save this video. Because when Biafra come, we all are going to give account of how we have fought for this nation. We are going to give account of how we have contributed in one way or the other. When Biafra is restored, we are going to be accountable to everything we have done. Those that have been stealing money from IPOB, the information and details of how you are taking our money is noted. Those that are Osimi in the IPOB, your record is there. Those that are Okwasiri in the IPOB, your record is there. And those of you that have done marvelously well, those of you that have good record, that have served IPOB diligently, those of you that have served IPOB with all your heart, those of you that have contributed every dime you have made to make sure that Biafra is restored, your record is also there. All the people that have fought for Biafra to be restored, your record is there. Those that died in this course of Biafra restoration, the record is there. Those that went to prison because of this struggle for Biafra to be restored, your record is also there. And I tell you one thing, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is taking notes of everything that is happening in this struggle. Don't think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not listening. Don't think that he doesn't know what is happening. He knew everything. The bad eggs among us, your record is there. Those that are speaking the truth in the struggle, your record is there. Those that fought in the media part, the record is there. Those gallant men and women that are in the bushes fighting, which is the reason why I have come to you this evening to have this program, because of these gallant men. These men that I love so much. These women that I am going to stand to speak in their favor. These men and women that I'm going to fight for their well-being and their upkeep. For the great sacrifice that so many of them have made, being on the ground, rooting out all the enemies of Biafra from our bushes. I am talking about ESN. All the commanders of ESN, I give you salute. I salute your courage. I salute your courage. And all those of our great gallant men that have given their life in the cause of defending Biafra land, people like Ikonso, may your soul rest in perfect peace, and other commanders that I may not mention their names. And on this note, I'm going to hold only but 1 minute silence for Commander Ikonso, because this program I am doing this night is meant for ESN. This program belongs to Eastern Security Network, those that are fighting to resecure our land, not for those who are abroad eating the money that is meant for these men. That I am going to expose them. I'm going to open their books. And the time starts counting from now. Let me give 1 minute silence to my great Ikonso, my brother from another mother. Thank you. Yes, my brothers and my sisters, thank you very much. I just gave that 1 minute silence to all the men that died on the cause of this movement. Not just Ikonso. I mentioned Ikonso as commander of ESN. May Chukwu Kikabiama strengthen them, that they may continue fighting in the land of the spirit, that we, the living, will continue fighting, and to make sure that Biafra is restored. We are not going to relent. We are not going to relent, not even 1 inch. No retreat, no surrender. I want you to share this program extensively. If you have never shared any program that I conducted on this platform before, I want you to share it this night. Let it be everywhere. And those people who want to record should record, because the hour has come. That is why I came to you. That is why I brought this program to you. And I started with Ajofia. The masquerade known as Ajofia is a great masquerade. And having listened to that song, I want you to know that the topic that I am treating this evening is all about 7 days ultimatum. It is a 7 days ultimatum, starting from today, being Tuesday, 9th of August 2021, the day that Biafra started sitting at home, the day that indigenous people of Biafra started sitting at home because of the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the day we have shown the world that we are standing gallantly. with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and for his release. So let it be remembered that I am making this video this night. And what is the main topic that I want to talk about? I will not spend much of your time. I won't spend more than 1 hour on this program. May the soul of all these gallant men rest in perfect peace. May they continue to fight in the spirit, in the spiritual world. Dear friends, I want you to begin to imagine that you that is watching this program right now is on the ground defending Biafra land, that the mother of those that lives outside Biafra land can go to family and their family. Just imagine that you are on the ground fighting for the father of those that live in Canada, America, Australia, Malaysia, Indonesia, Dubai, all over the world, can have a peaceful home. Just imagine that you are on the ground, you are in the bush, fighting that the land of Biafra, that land that Chukwu Kebiama gave to each and every one of us, is secured and protected against the killers, herdsmen, against the kidnappers, against the Boko Haram. Just imagine. I want you, before I speak to you, I want you to go into imagination. And you are fighting on the process. You got killed. On the process, you died in what you believed in. And people who, with their, out of their, should I say, magnanimity, brought out money to support this same movement which you died for. Out of their kindness, because they want Biafra to be restored. And you died on the process, and people brought out money, donate money to continue the struggle and to continue to equip those that are alive. And the few people, maybe 4 person or 3 person or 5 person, got hold of this money, use this money buying properties, use this money buying cars, use this money living extravagant life, instead of sending the money into the account that is meant for those that are still alive, that you have died and left behind to continue the struggle. In other words, dragging the struggle backward. I want you to reason, I want you to think. How are you going to feel if a dead man can see what is happening in the physical? What are you going to think? How are you going to feel? I want you to begin to reason. If you are one of these gallant men and women that are in the bushes, now is rainy season. It is falling heavily in Biafra land. It is falling heavily in Biafra land right now as it hot. When rain falls, it beats you in the bush. When sun shines, it hits you in the bush. When the weather is very rough, you collect it in the bush. Don't forget, you are no longer going to your villages to see your parents. And most of these people are married men. They have children. You cannot go to your village to see your children. You cannot go to the village to see your mother. You cannot go to the village to see your father. Some of these men, some of their parents have died. Oh my goodness me. They cannot go to bury their parents because of the enemies that are waiting for them to get them arrested. Just imagine that you are one of the men of ESN. Just imagine that I want you to go out of your normal person that is not part of them too. I want you to wear the clothes, the picture of the people that I am talking about. Inside that bush, you are fighting Fulani herdsmen. Inside that bush, The governors are sending bombers, a helicopter to come and bomb you. Inside that bush, you are fighting wild animals, jackals, pythons, hyenas, and different kind of wild animal. You are in the bush because you want to defend the land. Oh my goodness me. And you need food. You need medical attention. You need granules. That is bullets. To fight all these dangerous animals. You need gun. You need everything. And the money that is meant to purchase all these things, the money that is meant for you to get good treatment is donated by those that lost what you are doing. And few individuals will hijack this money, use it to buy properties, use it to buy cars, use it to enjoy themselves, living in luxurious life. How are you going to feel? I want you to respond to me. Maybe on the comment section, because I'm not going to open the line to answer any question or answer any call. Tell me how you are going to feel. If you are watching this program and you did not share this program, you are part and parcel of those that doesn't want Biafra to come quick. Because without money, this struggle will be in shambles. I don't look people's face. I don't look at your face when I tell you the truth. I respect every individual, but I fear no man. It is only Chukwu Okike Abiama that created heaven and earth that I'm afraid of. Let it be on record that today, being 9th of August 2021, that Mazi Obeleze Chukwu became come on my platform to send this warning to these men and women that have hijacked every money that is being contributed for ESN. That is the reason why you must share it, so that they will get it. I do not want tomorrow, when I will march on, to mention the names of all the people that have collected money on behalf of ESN and did not pay this money into the new ESN account. For you people to come and be saying, why are you mentioning them? Why are you causing problem? Why are you causing this? When you tell me that, when you tell me, why are you making this noise? Why are you talking about this? Why are you mentioning people's name? Thunder week. Because when I will talk about these people, when I begin to mention their name, only 7 days, Abaniasa, Kanjelfa. 7 days, starting from today, there is a new ESN account domiciled with Bank of America, which all of you that are watching this program have seen. And the Mazi Chike Doziem, the head of Directorate of State, have endorsed this same bank account we are talking about. That is where these enemies, these thieves, these crooks should go and deposit this money. We are not here for a child's play. We are talking about a nation, and millions of people have died for it. This is the account I'm talking about. That is the account I'm talking about. This is it. This is ESN account. If you go to my wall, you're going to see it. All the things I have told you in this struggle, from the beginning of time till now, I have never made any mistake. I have never lied to you. Everything that I used to talk about, come at last, you people will see it. You will say, oh, is this what this guy is talking about? So many people were inboxing me, thanking me, saying, President, thank you very much. We never knew you were right. All this while you've been talking about people who want to betray our leader. Germany, UK, America. Germany, UK, America. Germany, UK, America. You have been shouting it, you have been saying it, and nobody was listening. Now we have seen that you are a man, you are an upright man. As I'm speaking to you right now, Biafrans are sending me money to buy a recharge card and share to Biafrans. And I'm updating it on my wall. Even some people that send me money say, stop updating it. We trust you. We trust you. Stop, don't just tell them you are going to send card to them and do the needful. Forget about trying to be transparent and showing everything in the open. People are inboxing me, telling me this. I said, no. He who goes to equity always go with clean hand. I live by example. That is why if there is anything I have done in this struggle, I challenge you to bring it up and talk about me. I know they fear no man, I they fear only God. If the truth I am telling Biafrans, if the truth I'm saying to the whole world is going to cost my life, if it pleases God, so be it. But if not, no man can try it. And let me straighten it very well. Because as I'm broadcasting right now, I want those people that are holding this ESN money to know that some of the commanders of ESN, those that have access to mobile phone, are watching this program. I want them to know that these guys, some of their commanders that has access to mobile phone, are watching this program live right now to the heart. Yes. They are watching it. And they know that I'm fighting this battle because they cannot come out in the open to fight for this, against those who are doing all these things until their names is mentioned. While we are waiting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released, while we are waiting for Biafra to come, there are a lot of bad eggs in IPOB that have joined this struggle because of money. They want to get rich through IPOB. They want to rent cars through IPOB. They want to build cars through build houses through IPOB. They want to take care of their families through IPOB. Such people, I am going to root you people out. And I am sounding a serious warning. I repeat, a serious warning. From today, if you know that you have conducted any donation, any fundraising in the name of ESN, don't forget that I have all your details. I will come here, I will mention your names, I will mention the villages where you come from, I will mention the name of your community, I will mention the name of your villages, your local government, your states on this platform. 7 days. One is an ungodly Tanya. I will mention every details I have about you so that the owners of this money will begin to visit your communities for their money. As in the house, Nasonia they talk. I don't care whatever you may think or whatever you may say. You will plan with the enemies. You will plan with my enemies. You will plan with the enemies of truth. You will plan with all the whatever you have against me. You will all fail because Chukwu Okike Abiama is my God. And I drink water. And I come to this word from water. I be water pikin. I'm very proud when I say it, and it gives me joy. If you are drinking water, eating food cooked with water, taking bath with water, that is when every of your evil plan against me will work. If not, it will all be it will not come to pass. This water you see is life. This water you see is everything. Because without water, no human being can survive. Therefore, if you are planning evil because I want to expose the evil you are doing, that you are evil you are planning against me will catch up with you. Men are in the bush. Some are sick. Some need medical attention. They need food. The enemies are already encroaching into our land. They want to take over Biafra land. And these men, these gallant men that I love so much, are fighting. Left their wives, left their women, left their mothers, left their fathers, left their family. Most of them they had work they are doing before they joined this Krelon Corps, and they have left everything they are doing, dedicated them life, dying every day and night because of me and you. And somebody will sit on the money that was donated by the good Biafrans, and you tell me not to talk about it. You tell me to keep quiet. The spirit of Ikonso will not be happy with me if I keep quiet. The spirit of Jamaica, the spirit of Moshe, the spirit of Chinedu, the spirit of Mighty, all of them, these men I'm calling, even the spirit of Ugweze, and Onyeze will not be happy with me, because these are the people that have sacrificed themselves. Their blood is already on the ground. This money I'm talking about now is money that belongs to men that are fighting for us, and it is blood money. The reason why I'm giving them 1 week of Izuka, the reason why I'm giving them 1 week, so that people will not say, hey, well, how can you just jump out and begin to call people's name? I want to sound it as a warning. Don't ask me who sent me. You asking me who sent me means that you are very stupid. Asking me what is my position means that you are very, very mad. Asking me, are you the DOS now that is supposed to talk about this thing? That means you are demented. DOS are doing their own work. I am doing my own work. If Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is finally released, he come out. All the videos I am doing, I will not pull even half of it down. Not talk of one. All of them will be up and running, because he is going to take note. He is going to watch every of my video from A to Z. If Mazen Nnamdi Kanu watch it finish and say, President Darlington, Mazo Eleze, you are wrong in this one, you are wrong in that one, then I will know that it is not Chukwu Okabiama that called me for what I'm doing. Without ESN, your mothers will continuously be raped in your farmland. Without ESN, your sisters will continuously be raped in your bushes. Without ESN, Boko Haram would have taken over our land. Do not forget that they had only but in one state, in Delta State, they had 360 something locations in camps where they are staying, only in Delta State. Only in Delta. Should I talk about Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi? Should I talk about Edo? Edo people, as I'm talking to you right now, or people from Igodo are crying that Fulani men are dealing with them. The battle for ESN account has been fought and won. And I won because I told you this is the right count. There's some people, some idiot came out to say it is fake. And finally, the people who are leading this movement, led by Chike Doziem, have clarified that that same account that President Darlington talked about is the correct one. So anybody, any man, any woman, wherever you have contributed any, you have collected any money on behalf of ESN worldwide, where the money is going to is to America. This Bank of America, the name of the account is Umweri Arodi Areri, a USA corporation. That is the name of the account. And the account number I'm talking about, so that they will not say, oh, you talk about it, but you didn't tell us an account number. You have it and you know it. The account number is 446048777991. I repeat, 446048777991. Bank of America. This is the account where all of you that have collected money from Europe, from Asia, from Africa, from America, from South America, all of you should make sure that those money have collected. So I'm not talking about the one that you are still going to collect. No. I'm talking about the one already collected. I'm talking about money that runs into thousands, hundreds and thousands of dollars. Hello, do you hear me? I'm talking about money that have run into hundreds and thousands of dollars. I'm speaking with authority because I'm a man of authority. I'm speaking with respect to those that are dying. I respect those that have given their lives. I respect those that are in the bushes. I respect those that are making us proud, making sure that our enemy did not take over our land. When the governors that all of you voted for could not set up any security outfit to protect your fathers, your mothers, from your brothers from being kidnapped and killed, it is Mazen Nnamdi Kanu who set up ESN, Eastern Security Network. And these men voluntarily brought themselves out to say, I am going to die to secure my nation. And some people are out there collecting money, and they are spending this money, using it to buy properties. I will not keep quiet. Biafrans, do not say I did not warn, because when I will come to mention their names, don't say, hey, why are you calling people's name? If you say it, Thunder, Amadi Ohab, come on also so you. Now it is time for you to begin to inbox them. Begin to carry this particular program now. Spread it everywhere. Share it anywhere. Send it to the enemy. Make sure that every finance officer in this struggle have it. Make sure that every coordinator in this struggle have it. Make sure, I want this to be the most viral video I've ever made so far. I want it to go more viral because I don't want anybody to say they did not hear or they did not get it. I don't want it. Let it be circulated, because when the time comes, what I will do is my own job. I will leave the rest for ESN. Don't say it is this guy, President Linton. He mentioned my name, and that is why my village was visited, or my father was killed, or my mother was killed. I'm not inciting any violence. I'm a man of peace. But whosoever that wants peace must get ready for war. Don't say so, because the men on the ground are very, very upset. The men on the ground have given their lives. No, I repeat, no single ₦1 that have been contributed for ESN, as long as I'm concerned, will be left behind. No one, no shit, one penny, anini cannot drop. If you know, all of you that have collected this money, wherever you have invested this money, or whether you are keeping it waiting to think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to be killed, or maybe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will die, so that you bring out the money, you go and buy property in Oka, you buy some in Omahia, buy some in Owerri, buy in Enugu, buy in Asaba, you know, probably build a magnificent mansion in your community, and you come back, you raise your shoulder, you are IPOB member. It will not happen, because number one, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not going to die. He shall live to lead us into Biafra. Number two, the men on the ground that have devoted their life and contributed immensely to secure our land must get every dime that is being contributed for them. Do not say I did not tell you. Do not say I did not warn you. Do not say I did not shout it. I am making this video only for this once. I won't make it twice, only this once. That is the reason why you must share this video, because I will repeat it. There's not going to be repetition of this video. Only this one. And after 7 days, I will check the list. I'm going to check the list of those that have collected money. All the coordinators that are dancing to the tone of those that are eating our money. I will collect the list of all of you. And when I will mount on this platform of truth, this platform, this brave platform, because this platform is brave. You don't know. What I say here, some of you will know the truth, but you cannot say it because you are afraid to die. Me, I am a dead man already. I don't die. You don't tell why I die. So I don't fear that again. So I must say the truth for the truth to do what? To set me free. I repeat, I am talking about every kobo donated, contributed in the name of ESN should go to this Umueri, Arodi, and Aloeri account in America. The money you collected for ESN must go to them, because they are listening. No, don't say this. They are listening. They are watching. And they are waiting patiently. As a matter of fact, they are waiting patiently for me to start even calling the names. They want me to begin to call the names immediately. No. By tomorrow, you're going to hurt for their villages. But I said no. I am not going to do that. Let me give them warning. As a matter of fact, some people even suggest, say, give them only about 24 hours. I said no. 24 hours is too small. So some people say, no, make it 48 hours. Don't say that President Linton is giving ultimatum or that I'm giving instruction. When I am fighting for justice for ESN. Like I said before, what I know that you don't know, you listen. Shut up and listen, because everything I come to tell you on this platform is truth and nothing but the truth. When I was speaking about things that you have all seen happen now, but some of you we are shouting, who is this guy? Who asked him to talk? Who is he? Who this and that? What is his position? Blah blah blah. They try to shut me up. They come from behind and beg me, say, please don't talk again. Enough is enough. You are causing problem. You are causing katamotion. Katamotion, problem. I'm talking about my brothers and my sisters who are suffering inside the bush, who need materials to continue this work. Who need materials to continue this great job on the ground. And some people were collecting this money and eating. You will hold a Zoom meeting. Fundraising, ESN fundraising. Hey, dear friends, we must support our brothers. The ESN, we must do this, we must do that. People will, out of their magnanimity, out of their good heart, their giving spirit, those that love what ESN are doing will come out. Some people will bring $10,000, some $5,000, some $3,000, some $1,000, some $500. They will channel all this money. You will collect the whole money. The money will be in your position. Or you now pay it into the account of ESN. You will and you think that somebody like me will see it or hear it, verify that it is truth, and keep quiet. I will not. All of you that are following Nenyanya, you see that woman that's called Nenyanya. All of you that are following him, following her, it's a woman. All of you that are following her, saying that she is the finance this and that. Listen, I am talking about ESN. Every other money you contribute in this struggle that is not meant for ESN, I have no business with it. Any other contribution, which like monthly dues, whatever, that goes to Germany, I don't have any issue with it. And then Nyanya said we should pay ESN money into a German account, or we should pay it into this account or that account. It's not my business. It's not my business. My business is that money, you have to pay it into the ESN account in America. Members of DOS are watching this program for your information. Members of DOS, they are watching this program. You don't expect them to come and talk about, to say what I'm saying. By the way, Mazisi have said it already. He said all of you that collected money on behalf of ESN should pay it into this account. How else do you want him to say it? He have opened the way, and now I have waited. The issue of account is already resolved, and now we know where our money is supposed to go to. I am waiting for all of the confirmation of the money that is going to go into that account, or else I will mention your name. Anybody that says stop this, thunder with. Anybody that is kicking against this program, thunder with, because that is how you know the enemies. That is how you know the thieves. That is how you know the thieves, the enemies. They will come and say, stop talking, you are making noise, this and that. We don't need this kind of thing. These are the enemies. If you want to know who are the enemies, the thieves that are the ones that are stealing our money, go through the comment section. Right now, see the hot. Go through the comment section now. If you want to dictate the enemies, part and parcel of those that are eating our money, that are on this platform with fake names, go through the comment section. You are going to see them. Read their comments, then you know who they are. I have not started mentioning them. They are already jumping out. They are already jumping out. Because last time, when I made a video and told them that I was going to mention their names at night, I said it at night. By this time, in the morning, 3,500 missed calls went to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That Prince Darlington is about to cause problem. He's about to mention name of people. He's about to do this. He's about to do that. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pleaded to me to pull that video down. That is going to do something. That is how you get to know that Nwokonko and Ozurumba stole 70-some. Yeah, as a matter of fact, it was $81,000. But what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu announced was $75,000. There is another $6,000 that was outstanding that he did not include in the money that Nwokonko and Ozurumba stole from America. Do you know what happened, Biafrans? After 24 hours of that my broadcast, money gets going into that account. And I believe it's going to happen again. If it does not happen, and those people who have all this money, I will mention their names, and ESN will like hey, nobody is coming to America where you are residing. No, nobody is coming to Germany, Italy, Spain, Holland, UK, or even Australia or Jamaica. Nobody is coming after you there. For in case you think if you mention my name, nobody is coming. But you are going to pay that money, and when you pay that money, you'll be crying, and your family members are going to receive it hot. Because I will mention your names, I will give details of every one of you on this platform. If I not do it, if I swear to Heavenly Father, after this program, I know that a lot of you are going to call me and beg me to tone down, just as you used to do in the past. Tone down, tone down, tone down. But tone down. When the money that is meant for men that are suffering in the bushes, dying for me and you, is in the hand of the enemies. You can't tell me to tone down when these people are holding the money that we are supposed to use to get ourselves out of this dungeon. You can't tell me to tone down when the money that we need to treat those boys, those men, not boys. There's no boy among them. They are men and women of valor, great people. The money that they need to take care of the activities in the bush, and you tell me to tone down. Tone down will kill there 1 million times over. These people cannot go to their community anymore. They can't go to their villages. Some of them, their papa died, they no go bury. Some of them, their mama died, they no go bury. Some of them, their wife is sick, they cannot go to see them. Some of them, their children died, they cannot go and bury their own children. Oh my goodness me. And these are the men that you are playing with the money that is meant for them. Do you know what they're going to do to you? Do you actually realize what they are going to do to you and your family? Number one is that you will not even enter Biafra land again for your life. Number two is that your family members are going to get it hot. However it will happen, I don't know. Because I'm a more Makozuzo. So don't tell me to shut up or to stop talking or not to say the truth. I must continue saying the truth. It is all about ESN. Their money should be credited to them. Their money must be credited to them, to their account that was sanctioned by the leadership, approved by the leadership, domiciled in America with Bank of America. People are wicked. People are wicked. On the ground, as I'm speaking to you right now, I am right in Biafra land. And some people are relaxing somewhere. They sit in their offices, they make donations. People who love Biafra, who want Biafra to come, because a lot of us, all of us are tired of living abroad. We contribute their hard-earned money. And those people who collect this money will keep it in their pocket. It will not happen when I am still watching. When I'm still doing the job that I was mandated to do. I am not going to call their name today. I am a man that have wisdom. I'm a Mife. The little wisdom I have, I make use of it. I am saying, some people say it's a threat. This guy will come and be threatening Biafra. All the time you say I threaten Biafrans, which I did not threaten anybody. I was saying the truth. Have you come to realize at the end that what this guy is saying is truth? So many of them are already inboxing me, thanking me, saying that all you have been saying is truth. Now we have seen how transparent and truthful you are. Now I have come again with this issue of ESN fund. If you don't bring ESN fund, pay it into the account. That designated account that Mazi Chike announced, if you don't pay it, I will come here, I will announce your names, release your names to the whole IPOB worldwide to know the thieves among us that are holding our money. It is not even only IPOB, even ESN that is going to go after your family. In fact, IPOB all over the world will go after you wherever you are, because we cannot take our money for our men who are dying for us. and want us to keep quiet. If I keep quiet, I can bend there. I won't. I cannot keep quiet. You think because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not outside? You think because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in the DSS custody, because of that you can do anyhow? You can shake your head. You can sit on the money that is meant for people who are dying for the struggle. It will never happen. Never, ever, 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 ever happen. All the most in IPOB, I'm coming after all of you, one after the other. But I want to make sure that this money is out. Once you, all of you that is holding all the money that belong to Biafra, I say money that turns into hundreds of thousands of dollars. So hundreds of thousands of dollars. That is what they are holding. The dates when those money were contributed, I have it. The approximate amount that you people collected, I have it. And the people that conducted the fundraisings, I have all your names. So these 7 days is to let you know and to let you go ahead and bring those money and pay into the right channel. If there is anywhere else you pay that money to that is not in this account, make sure you pull it out from there and put it to the right place. I repeat, dear friends, I want you to listen again. If you have sent that money to the wrong account, you have to request either from that account for that money to be transferred and the receipt is made available to the right quarters, to the appropriate quarters. All of you know. And your name will be removed from this list. One day, list, the names you are going to see in that list is going to shock some of you. The access, the fund and access recovery leader has her eyes on the ground on all the people that have done this. And when I will begin to mention them, all of you that will come to me to say, hey, why are you calling our name? Make sure that you are preparing your court case against the people who have made these names available. Not me, because if you bring it to me, don't think that they don't have voice to speak. On this platform, it belongs to Biafrans. I am speaking right now. The people that are watching us on Biafra television are watching us. The people that are watching us on Aside Biafra television, they are watching us. The people that are watching us on YouTube are watching us. The people that are watching us on Twitter are watching us. The people that are watching us on Exodus Biafra television are watching us. 8 channels. At the same time, they are watching and they are taking good notes. They are taking notes. I know they are recording. Because record well. Send it to that your father, that your mother, that your auntie, that your brother, that your cousin that have, conducted ESN fundraising and they have not paid it into the account. Send it to them. That it is only for 7 days. Give them 7 days. 7 days. Abanasa. That 7 days is going to elapse by this time. Next week Sunday, next week Tuesday, next week Monday. Sorry, after our sit-at-home practice. That is if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not yet released on that very day. I want to be remembered for something when Biafra come. It doesn't matter what the enemies may say. I want to be remembered as a man that speaks the truth. I want to remember as a man that fought alongside with our leader and Biafra is restored. I want to be remembered as a man that is fearless before his enemy and fought for the funds that is meant for ESN to continue their good job. Even in the absence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, there are other Mazi Nnamdi Kanus. We have no less than 70 million Mazi Nnamdi Kanus. So I am also Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You that believe in this gospel is also Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu represents each and every one of us. Therefore, do not say that I did not warn you. Asikwana na gwara m gị. Awonukwa m unu. Let me go on music break. When I come back, I will round up and give you another announcement in regards to ESN.
ke buto bulo munamfu obudelu bulalo ejelu mi be no budo umuanu umbo munande nunande ana umbo anyanwụ nọ n'aka nne m ana nọ m n'aka ekpe na nwanyị oziri ikuku ọrịa akwụ n'ọnụ ụzọ epụta anụ ya bụ eze ebe niile a na-ada gara gara ka ha so jebe nzu n'ọra mmụọ welu na-eketa oke n'obi Chukwu ha si na nchi na-egbu ayọ si na edi na-eri aja akụ m na-etiwe ụgbọ na-atụ bụ mkpụrụ n'obi ọdụmọdụ na-egbu agụ na-arụrụ chụpụrụ ọdụm ebe obi ka ọnwa na-egbe na-ezu ori egbuchara egbe fi n'anya dị ya n'ọkụkọ ha gwara ọkịrị na onye akụkọ bụ onye ama jiri onye ikere na ọya gbara eberimaba ahụ ha si n'ugo na-eri agwọ agwọ wetara akara abịa n'ugwu ya daba na ụgbọ kele anụ ya bụ eze n'ọba akara ya bụ eze ude na-eberibe onye ukwu na onye nta ụfọdụ na-amụ amụ ụfọdụ na-ebu ụrịa asị na akara na-eri ozu ka akpọọ nitekwanụ mbe dị ọgụ onye isi amamife akpọọ ya ogbu ma aga na tụọ ya ụgbọ n'iru dị ochi gwa nkịta gberigberi aka nga na-ezo n'akwụkwọ ndụ nwaanyị na-akpọ dede n'ọkụ anụ oge ọ nọrụ ka onye ọrịa adịghị eji mbe jibe na-azụ aṅụgọ ọnọkụ isi na-abụ sigụpụ aka enwe n'ofe atụrụ inu agịrịga nkata onye tara arụ ya marịrị onye nwanne na-agbaji egwu ọ na-akọ ọkụ iku anya eziokwu were oke ya baba akọrọ ụkọ n'ala Igbo ọchụchụ gbalụkwa aka ife na-eme Igbo bụ n'ime imi egbeburu ibe ya na-apị ha eke dọdụ mbembe adọdo eke a na-esochi ọtọ bịa na agbụrụ na-eji yọkwa akụchi onwe ude na-eburu nwanne ya bụ onu agha chọ ya agụ unu n'obi onye anya ukwu ara enwe nwanne chaa agụ omume na-ezi na igwe du n'obi agbọghọ aji ibe ya mma onye chikwu agụ agbọ ya agụ na nwurede ụtọ nwanne gburu na ndụ ụmụ Igbo onye obodo na-adị kparụta ahụ n'ukwu aṅara ọ bụrụ n'ugbo nye ya nwa amade ya ọnụ ndị a na-egbu n'usoro gada amara na usoro gada ga-egbu
ndị amara na surugedebe egwu mmụọ kparụta buru ukwu aṅara ọ bụrụ na ukwu onugbo onye ga-ede ya ọnụ kparụta bụ n'ukwu aṅara kparụta bụkwanụ n'ukwu aṅara ọ bụrụkwa na onugbo onwe onye ga-ede ya ọnụ. It is only grounded egg that you can pluck the leaf and eat anyhow you want. But bitter leaf, it is not possible. You can't chew bitter leaf the way you can chew the leaf of a grounded egg. That is what this masquerade is talking about. Ajofia, I love this masquerade so much. I play the song always. both morning, afternoon, and night. Because when you listen to the reading, when you listen to the words, you will know that we, the indigenous people of Biafra, of Igbo extraction, we pass message, justice, equity through the word that come out of our mouth. And what I'm saying this evening, this morning or this afternoon, depending on your location, is that I am using 1 week. I'm giving all the people that have collected money for ESN 1 week ultimatum to deposit all the money into ESN account. Or I will come here and mention their names, mention their communities. They will be surprised how I get the information about everything about them. I'm going to mention it. I'm going to mention it from A to Z. Call me on your mirror, you will die. Call me in your coven, you will die. In your altar, you will die. Put any candle in my name. As long as that candle is getting finished, you will die. Because I have no enemy. I be water pikin, I don't get enemy. I am proud of who I am. And I will continuously speak his truth in this struggle until Biafra is restored. I will come on this platform to announce to each and every one of you that the people who are handling ESN activities, their fundraising, and the special way they want to help ESN, which they want to bring to the public, will come. I will post it this night against tomorrow. If the program is coming tomorrow, I will let you know. If it's coming next tomorrow, I will let you know. All the people that are in charge of ESN account management, and those that want to set up a very special means of getting money to make sure that every money you're contributing is going straight to the ESN. Instead of all these thieves, all these rogues that use the name ESN to collect money and they will not pay it in. We keep them by the side. Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have told us that no nyagoro ademe freedom fighting. When you give a hungry man a post to handle money, he will finish the money. He will eat it. And that is how it is. And in this struggle, we will not entertain that. Biafrans, Etienamokbo, Sarendi Gwaka, Ejuromokuteti, Ejuromigweti, Akankete Kanjiti. I have brought this to the justice of the whole world. The whole world is watching and you are listening to me. Do not blame me when I will come to do what? To pass their name to those that will take care of their situation. I have warned them. I have said it. That is why you must share this program. If you have not shared my program before, share this one. That the enemies may get this message. When you want to know the enemies of this struggle and those that are stealing from us, I will repeat, go to the comment section. I don't want to block anybody unless you post any link here on this particular program, because you are showing yourself to the world, to Biafrans. Go and pay ESN money to ESN account in America, domiciled in America. Go. I don't smoke cigarettes. I don't smoke cigarettes. Talk less of Igbo. I don't even drink. A bottle of beer is okay for me. 1 bottle. Those that knows me will testify to this. So when I speak to you with clear mind, with clean eyes, with my sense intact. I am not speaking under the influence of anything, because I don't take anything that can influence me to do or say what I don't want to say. No. Keep this particular program. Save this particular program, because very, very soon, and when it begins to happen, you will say, oh, but this guy won them all. But this guy won them all. But this guy won them all. I will not mention their name today, not tomorrow, not next tomorrow, until Monday next week. If they start paying, if the money is going into the account, they're paying the money. Anyone that his or her own money goes into the account, I will cancel their name. Those that still hold our money, their name will remain with me until Monday. So all your messages that you want to send cannot do anything for me. It cannot do anything. And I want to also once again appreciate the Biafrans that have sent money to support our media warriors. All our media warriors, believe you me, if I cannot send some of you a card today, tomorrow definitely you are going to receive card. I have received 102,500. I have received 20,000, and I received another 50,000. That is the money that Biafrans have sent to me to help buy recharge card and data and share to Biafrans, those that are sharing our program, those that are participating, those that are tweeting. This money is for all of us that are working. Those that are doing their live program in Biafra land, you will get recharge card and data from me. And I want to appreciate all of you. And those of them that want to contribute, further to contribute, you have our number as in the whole Biafra television. You can contact us through that line. Whatever you bring, I would let the Biafrans know. I don't need your money for anything. By the special grace of God, go and ask the people that have visited Mazen. They will give him money. They will give me money to give him behind him. Then they will still call him and tell him, we give this guy money to give you. I will deliver. When they will confirm, our leader will say, yes, he delivered. That is me. And that is how I was brought up. So I repeat, pay the money that belongs to ESN to ESN. Pay the money that belongs to this gallant man into the account. I have won it so much this night. I have repeated it so many. Don't say you did not hear. Send this message to Nenianya. Send this video to Nenianya. Because all those people that she is conniving with, trying to divert ESN money, are we send this message to Nenianya. She is not supposed to be in charge of ESN fund, not even 1 naira. The money she is entitled to have in the account in Germany is not her money, it's IPOB money. It's monthly dues or any other contribution money. But so far it is called ESN, all of you must deliver that money. Or if you have eaten it, you must swallow it. Once again, let me take the last lap of Ajofia special song for those of them that are planning evil against me. The men that died that I'm fighting for the betterment of their own family and for the whole Biafran, we fight against you. Please, let's not listen to this. After that, I'll bring this program to an end.
I don't know that. Oh, Dinta juga numara wego nyembachido nyabu na lunefu ana wele walulwe bunchiko meludiji anu na ibokolu nubi ana wele onye zebi bombu nubi atakaro bugosi ekene kamjiliga ana wele amalusi ebingo ana wele amalu no duso ana wele nkudolu ko mmadụ ga-eji aka Robinson Chukwudumma eji na-anwụ n'ọgbọ ọgwụ mmadụ na-atọ ụtọ egwu nke ibu ọjụrụ asị bịa bụ ụfọdụ nke ego ya eme nsogbu ara ka ọrụ ụzọ erurogibe enyi na-ata na ya egbudu chi ga-azụ ọdụm ka ọ na mbọ ka ma akụ n'aka n'ụzọ n'one meghe ka ma akpọ n'okwu ọza katara iru jeba rapụrụ ọkụmụ mbi ụzọ ọtachala okwu mkpọrụ n'ụlọ za na mbaza nke ego amarichara okwu wake aka maka uru n'isi ego ọ chọrọ mgbada ọ ga-abụrụ ozi were ego n'ahịa aka bedo mmadụ godube ha iri ya amị na mpịọ mpịọ etu o siri som ije som ndekwa na ọṅụ jukwuru m ya gbalụ gị agbalụ na ru agara ịtọ ya mụ ezi enyi m si rọbịa na-agụ bọọlụ iru Very kumeri onye chọrọ ka o ye ya nwụkọ ọdachi ụzọ onye ji ugbiri ọya dalile ngwụlọ ọjiwu olu ga-ajọ mmadụ erughị onye ilo osisi bụrụ ga-atụ mkpe bufere ma jiri ya onye ji ụlọ ife jiri dohalite n'ido ya riba nke arụ enwere chie ya unyi anaghị aya aja ọkọ jenu na-eme na ife oke gaba n'aka akụkọ igolu n'ubi n'ọya abawanyekwu ụba ọkọdụ ukwu nnukwu mmanwụ osisi akụbalụ n'ubi nwoke ji na-ere na zọwara ọbịa pụta ụlọ abụdugbu eke enyi tụjọ odelukwa mkpume na nnewi ogige egbochi enyi ebunu na-eri nude nnadị eju ekwupụtara ife ebe mbari n'amụ abịa ọma n'elu onwe chinyere eze ya echi eze ọjị ugo asụbapịa ọnụ na-abụ agwa mmiri anụnụ na-eri nri elu ichefuru oduli ndị ana arụfọ nsuzugbo osu oke na-awụ maka arụ ike aṅụrị zuru oke na-ezi n'ezi omume n'ime agha okirikiri niile ilo na-asị na-egbu ana ọkpọrọ oge nwere mkpochi makwa na ji etu ome pụtara utofemepe oke ebe isi nwe osu ụdụ dị mba na agụ ogburu akwachi ụzọ onye ukwu nsọ eje mba ugegbe nji ahụ ụzọ ugwu maka onye udo ọrụ nwa osu n'ugbo ugbo ebubelu nganụ achọ ụfọ mfọju aba o ji enwe mbuli elu taji anya ebe mmadụ nọ ọ gara ọgbasi ọgbajiri bichara omegogbara bichara ọgbachiri olu nwoke ụzọ ka ọ na-emegide nwaanyị merụ ntinye na mwepụ ọdụrụ ọnụ marụ iko merụ kedụlụ onye ọzọ ọ nọ n'anụ mara ọwa ya ọdụ n'ọnụ ga-ama ọnụ eze afọjuru ka onye asịrị ya jideka oji ya biko gaa n'iru ije awere n'ụkwụ apụnaghị ama ebe nọ n'isi ụgbọ ndị ahụ golu ibu ọkpa Sinaya Opara, Yabonia Melungozi, Opupuna Batagin, Isi Akagaru, Sulokaya Toka, Anam Bekuchu.
Thank you very, very, very much, great Biafrans. I just used this song to entertain each and every one of you. This is Ajofia, the great masquerade from Newi. This masquerade has smoke going out of the head. Whenever you see this masquerade, you know that something great has happened. And on this note, I remember your brother Mazi Obeleze Chukwu became Ago Biafra Kembo Nambo as a Winfana Biafra, and Masi Onya Fotata Kafuyechi, Ogadro Namamane, Kemanori Manafomananko, Ihoma Meloke Melewa, and there's more than there's a mother, and there's a worker and there's a why, and Masi Kunu Chevara Ijida Izaka Ibano. Chukwu kama biko do ayala mazi Nnamdi Kanu tie naka ki chekwa bia dubia bobo na nkono ki were aru ike we cho ya mma ki were aru ike we wali oji anyị na-ekwusi na anyị ga dịka echi maka echi ada agwụ Chukwu kama biko ndị ni na-akpọkwara ndị na na-ekwu okwu ha gwakwa ha wepụta ego bịa kwụnye na akaụntụ ndị ESN maka mgbe orejie ejikwe m ha ọfọ jide ha ogu ana m asị nke onye chiri ya zelo ngwa ka emesịa n'afọ m niile n'anya udo. I salute you all. God bless you. Thank you.